Hello guys, welcome again to another BTC video. I hope you are doing great today. I have another great Bitcoin video for you guys, something that I've been tracking for a while, and if you are part of my private Discord, you would already know this by now. And even if you follow me on Twitter, you would know that I've been posting this Elliott wave formation pattern that I've been tracking since 29k region. So if you're new to Elliott wave formations, I'm going to explain them right now, and I'm going to show you how effective they are, and I'm going to show you what I think Bitcoin will do next. So first of all, these Elliott wave, this Elliott wave pattern, or this Elliott wave formation, comes in 5 waves first, which are actually to the upside, and then after the 5th wave is reached, you have something called an ABC correction. So basically, you dump, you do a fake pump, and then you dump again, or a lower high if you want. So, and this Elliott wave formation, believe it or not, has happened before, and this is during our bull run, and I'm going to show you right now. And this is how I and many other TAs like myself got out at this region right here, because we saw the signs, we know this Elliott wave formation, and we know how accurate they are when they do play out. So as you can see, we had wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then wave 5. And then after wave 5 is reached, what happens is something called an A correction, and this A correction is characterized by a lower low. So as you can see, we did make a lower low right here, and then after that we have a B impulsive wave, which is basically a fake out pump to the upside, making a lower high, and then we dump again to make another lower low, which is the C correction. And these ABC corrective waves, we can actually track them using our fib extensions. So after you reach your wave 5, you take your fib extension like this, and you take it from the bottom of wave A like that to the top of wave A like that, and then you draw your fib down like this, and as you can see, you get the exact fibs. And if you follow Elliott waves and you have studied this, then you know that wave B actually is between 0.5 to 0.85 of wave A. So it's basically could take us all the way up to this area right here, but it didn't. Unluckily for us, it took us only to around 70% region, so between our golden fib and our 0.786 fib, after then dumping back to the abyss to $30,000. And this dump, by the way, to $30,000 is also predictable using Elliott wave as well. So according to Elliott, wave C has to be 1.618 of wave A. So again, you can measure this using your fib extension, but this time you go to the top of wave A like this, and you draw the fib extension down to the bottom of wave A like this, and then you drag it up to the top of wave B, and you can see that wave C is hit exactly the 1618 fib extension as per Elliott wave theory. So if you study Elliott wave, you wouldn't be amazed at this, but if you're new to the market, this is probably the closest you'll get to magic. And right now, what we're doing is we're doing the same ABC correction. As you can see, we already had our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up, and now we're gonna do our 1, 2, 3 wave down. And again, let's follow the rules, right? Elliott waves are characterized, our ABC correction is characterized first by a lower low, which we already did, and then after that we do a lower high, which we will do in my opinion, and then after this lower high is reached, and then we will dump again to our 1618 fib. And you can see, and I will show you how I measured these targets right here that you see in the screen. So again, use your extension, bottom of wave A, top of wave A like this, and then drop your fib down, and you can see my fib ratios right here. So basically, wave B, according to Elliott, could take us anywhere between 0.5, which is the level we are at now, all the way up to at least this area right here, which is around 85%, which is also in confluence with this resistance trend line that I drew a while back, which is coming in around 51.3k region. Another important area to watch out for is this 50k region, which, believe it or not, is exactly the same fib ratio as our second top right here, our B top right here during our rally. So if Bitcoin were to do the same move as history again, same as what we did here, then expect Bitcoin to reach this 50k region right here, and then dump again to finish this ABC correction. Now I drew this parallel channel a while back, assuming that this is a downward channel, because Bitcoin has reversed trend. As you can see here, trend has been reversed with confirmation, with breakdown volume, similar to our first rally, our main rally right here, where Bitcoin as well broke our trend line, our upwards trend, with confirmation and with volume, with making a lower low, which just basically means a reversal. So as long when you break trend with volume and with force and form the first lower low, then you are basically in a trend reversal. And this trend is still valid because Bitcoin is still making lower highs and is still making lower lows. And now Bitcoin has 1, 2, 3 highs already, and then I think it's going to go for this next low right here in the future. So I don't think Bitcoin is going to 100. I actually think that it's going to 20-25k region by the end of the year rather than 100k region. But again, TA is probability, so it might not happen. If the bulls want this bull run to resume, they need to start making higher highs and higher lows and break this all-time high, or else it's just over for Bitcoin. So yeah, guys, this is what I'm seeing right now for Elliot, and I'm going to show you how, again, I found my measurements for wave C. So again, you take your fib extension like this, and then instead of putting it at the bottom of wave A, you take it from the top of wave A like this to the bottom of wave A like this, and then you take up your fib to where your potential wave B top is at. So if wave B is around 51.3, or if wave B takes us to around 51.3, as you can see, our 1618 ratio is right here around 35k region, this right here, and is in confluence with this support trend line that has been supporting Bitcoin also for a good while. And if wave B actually takes us to 50k, which is around this region right here, which is also the top of our parallel channel, our yellow parallel channel, then wave C could take us to as low as 33.6k region. So this 35 to 33k region is what Bitcoin will probably do next if it does form this lower high, and if this ABC wave correction is validated. Like I tell you many times, and like many TAs tell you all the time, a pattern is valid until invalidated, and right now it is super valid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 perfect waves, a perfect wave, and now we're going for that B wave, and in the future that C wave if this is confirmed. And one more thing that I want to show you is, if you zoom out to the chart like this, you can see that this is history repeating itself again. Similar pattern formation, similar Elliott wave formation, similar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, similar ABCs, similar lower low made, similar break of trend made with reversal of trend made with force and with volume, and with this lower low made on the chart. So be careful. People were saying buy the dip here, buy the dip here. They were saying to the moon here, to the moon here. When Bitcoin dropped again, they were saying buy the dip, without taking into consideration Elliott waves and TA in general, and then they got wrecked with a 20k drop. So this might happen again, so just be careful. Keep this in the back of your head. Protect your capital. This is the most important thing that you have, and take those profits out, because if you don't take profits out, then you're basically doing nothing. You don't have money yet. By the way, this is not financial advice. This is my opinion, of course. Nothing in this video is my financial advice. This is just what I see in the charts and my opinion. With that being said, I hope you liked the video. Follow me on Twitter if you enjoy this. I posted this Elliott wave formation maybe like 2 months ago when it was starting to form, because it's very clear that it is an Elliott wave pattern formation. And I also posted it in my private Discord group, which you can also inquire about. The link is in the description below. You can message me on Telegram, and you can ask me anything about my private Discord. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I have more videos to come. I'm trying to make this channel grow. Please share, retweet, like the video, help me grow so I can keep doing these videos for you. So take care, guys, and I will see you again next week.